Hey you guys, today I'm going to be showing you all how I create my custom DIY salon quality mani using my Très She press-ons. Prep and application is key for long-lasting wear, so I'm going to be using my Très She application kit, which comes with everything I need for the perfect mani. So we have our sheet of sticky tabs included, 2 alcohol wipes, our cute little nail buffer, a cuticle stick, and of course our go-to Très She nail glue. Now, another product that quickly became a new favorite essential of mine is their new Thirsty Nail Dehydrator. This dehydrator strips oils from the surface of your nails and just makes the absolute biggest difference for prep and long wear. Not only that, but it smells like bubblegum, so it smells so yummy. Now, moving on to application, I'm using their crystal set, which is the perfect clear canvas for our custom set today. So these instant acrylic boxes do come with everything you need for your perfect mani as well, but just for the sake of the video I have my application kit out already, so we're gonna go ahead and use that. First step is to find the instant acrylic sizes that fit you best. I personally like to find all my sizes from the beginning so I have them laid out and just ready to apply right after. A little tip to make it a bit easier is to find the tiny little number in the back of the nail so then you can match it to your second pair. Moving on, we'll be using our cuticle stick to push back our cuticles. Then we have a nice little cuticle bed for our press-ons to lay on. Now our buffer is next in the instructions to gently buff any shine, or like me, if you always wear your press-ons, I have excess glue that is just sitting and will not let your press-ons glue as easily, so you want to make sure you take all of that shine. I would even go as far as to say buffing is probably the most important step, so you do not want to miss it. Now I'm simply taking one of the alcohol wipes provided to clean, wipe, and dry each one of my nails off, and we're almost ready for our gluing time. Now, like I said, this nail dehydrator became one of my essentials, so it's just an extra step I like to take to ensure that I'm going to get the best wear time with my nails and just have them on as long as possible. So I simply apply them to my nail bed and that is it. I let that dry and I can go ahead and start gluing. So I apply just even coat throughout the nail and kind of push that nail into that nail bed. I lift it a little bit and hold it for about 10 seconds and that is it. My nail is completely attached on, no moving, and I just repeat those steps for all my nails. And just as easy as that, I have the perfect set ready to go. I'm going to just kind of file the tips and straighten them out a little bit, and I'm going to step it up a notch and customize my nails a little, and I'm using my cute little Hello Kitty stickers. The cool thing about these nails, or any Très She set really, is that you can customize them however you want. So you can paint them, you can trim them, you can shape them differently, and the possibilities are endless. These nail decals are actually from AliExpress, where everything is super inexpensive, so this set really comes up to about 25 bucks or less, which you cannot beat. So I'm simply applying them to each nail, just kind of feeling out where I want to place them, and that is it. I hope you enjoyed this little application video. Maybe it inspires you to create your own custom nails with Très She.